Hello and welcome to another Business Central how-to video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to update posted sales invoices in Business Central. All right, so let's get into Business Central. Now, in your role center, search for posted sales invoices. Okay, and then when you come up to the page, select the invoice that you want to update. Okay, so before we start updating the invoice, I want to show you the posting description on the invoice. Okay, so I'm going to click on my customer ledger entry here. And on the posting description, you can see what it has here. It's just the invoice and then the number. Okay, so I'm going to go back now and start updating it. Next, click on the update document. It brings you up to this page and you can add the extra data that you want to add to the description. Okay, you can also change the due date of the invoice. Okay, let's change that now. You also have the option to change or to add the promised pay date. Okay, you can select any date from here. Okay, and then you also have the option to add the dispute status to the invoice. Let's assume this invoice is disputed. You can add the status here. You can create as many dispute, status codes as you want. Okay, just click the one you want there. And then you can also add the, change the payment method or add the payment reference. Okay, so now we're done here. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click on find entries again to check that the changes have been done. Okay, so as you can see on the posting description here, you can see that it has added the new data to it. And then if I scroll to the due date, you can see that my due date has also been updated. And then if I scroll all the way to the dispute status, you can also see that the dispute status has been updated as well. Okay, so this is how you update posted invoices in Business Central. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions regarding this, please leave us a comment below. And don't forget to share this video, like the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye.